Join us on our 8-day adventure to the Galapagos Islands. Located 600 miles west off the coast of Ecuador, this string of volcanic islands is home to amazing wildlife. While hiking on 5 of the islands and snorkeling in their bays, we saw sharks, sea turtles, other aquatic life, young and old tortoises, marine and land iguanas, literally tons of sea lions, blue-footed boobies, frigate birds, and much more. Enjoy. Here we are on another Zodiac trip to South Plaza.
Yeah.
We're going with Lars, our Spanish guide.
Este es un polluelo de la gaviota de cola bifurcada. This is when they are breeding the swallowtail gulls. So we have small ground finches, large ground finches.
Oh, that's a good iguana.
Hay como 300 iguanas en esta pequeña isla. North Plaza and South Plaza is elevated sea ground. Yeah, this means this was under the sea, no?
This is a retired male, an old bachelor male. He's lost all the fights with the other males, and now when he wants to come up on the island, he has to climb these cliffs here. It's really hard and steep. If he tries to come in on the other side of the island where it's a beach, the dominant alpha males there push him back into the sea.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
Here we are on our second adventure, snorkeling in the Galapagos.
We're going to see some good things today.
And we're at...
What island are we at?
What island are we at?
What?
Santa Fe. We're at... Okay, this is our second snorkeling adventure.
At Santa Fe Island this
Santa
time.
Fe Island. Here we go.
Island is called Santa Fe Island. For me, it's very incredible to see it green. Usually everything is dry here, and so it looks completely different than usual. They have the little train. There's another one singing this way.
I mean, he was chipped and everything.
Oh, I don't like you. Are you getting this?
Okay, it's Dana's turn. Get him, he's in red.
Yeah.
You can see behind him.
He's watching you, Dana.
He's like, I like Reed the best.
Is he, oh, yeah, are you trying to do the training?
Reed! Thank you, love. Isle of the Sea Lions. Here we go. It's a volcanic rock. This is a juvenile blue-footed booby. Without the blue feet yet. Dun, 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 dun.
Treacherous terrain.
Let's just make it back to boat. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Ocho lobos. Seafood on fire with Christine.
Hello. Okay.
All right, let's dig in.
Slow. Iguanas are walking. They're crossing the street.
Let's go this way.
Which beach are we on? Los Lobos, with very few lobos.
Free Palestine too.
Okay, say bye to San Cristobal.
Bye, San Cristobal. Vete a la lobería.
Bye, say bye to San Cristobal.
We are at the top of San Cristobal.
Frigate Hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to see the harbor behind us.
Oh, look.
And that's Kicker Rock.
We're gonna go there tomorrow.
Kicker Rock, yes. By the pier, and there are these steps going down into the water, like 7 or 8 steps, and there's sea lions laying on all of them, laying on top of each other. And it's nice, but it's not. Oh, they're really jumping. It's nice, but it's not like this stuff. What?
Now, if you get bit,
So beautiful.
Yeah.
We're heading to the Coral One, leaving San Cristobal.
North Carolina.